want to unlock the secrets of the tarot? Or have you always been curious about the mystical world of tarot? Hey friends, welcome to my channel Mahanvi Tarot. Tarot cards have been used for centuries to gain insight into the future. Subscribe to my channel to learn how to read tarot cards. Like the video as a token of appreciation. Let's start today's learning.
Introduction. In today's video, we will be discussing the High Priestess Tarot card. The High Priestess is the second card in the major arcana and is often associated with intuition, secrets, and mystery. She is depicted as a woman seated on a throne between two pillars, with a veil behind her. The pillars represent duality, with the High Priestess serving as the mediator between the conscious and subconscious mind. Her veil represents hidden knowledge and the need to look beyond the surface to discover the truth. Meaning, the High Priestess represents the power of intuition and inner knowledge. She encourages us to listen to our instincts and trust our inner voice, even if it goes against conventional wisdom. The High Priestess also reminds us to pay attention to the subtle cues and signs in our lives, as they can provide valuable insights. Symbolism. The High Priestess is often associated with the moon, which represents the unconscious mind and hidden knowledge. Her position between the two pillars represents the balance between the conscious and subconscious mind. The pomegranates on her robe represent fertility, abundance, and the potential for new beginnings. The book in her lap represents the wisdom and knowledge that can be gained through introspection and inner reflection. Interpretation. When the High Priestess appears in a tarot reading, it may be a sign that we need to listen to our inner voice and trust our intuition. It may also indicate that we need to look beyond the surface and seek out hidden knowledge and insights. The High Priestess can also represent a period of introspection and self-discovery. Reversed meaning. When the High Priestess appears reversed, it can indicate a lack of trust in oneself or a situation. It may suggest that we are ignoring our intuition or not listening to our inner voice. It can also indicate a need to be more open and honest with ourselves and others. Conclusion. That's all for today's video on the High Priestess Tarot card. I hope you found it informative and insightful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to like the video.
Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video.